Meaning of geostationary.
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 Geostationary. Geostationary refers to an object, usually a satellite, that is positioned in such a way that it remains at a fixed point in the sky relative to the Earth's surface. Specifically, a geostationary satellite orbits the Earth in the same direction and speed as the Earth's rotation, allowing it to stay in a fixed position above a specific point on the Earth's equator. This configuration is useful for applications such as weather monitoring, satellite television, and communications, as it allows for continuous reliable coverage of a specific area without the need for frequent adjustments.